Jeff, what good is a neural network if you can't use it to turn yourself into a zombie?
You know what? I wake up every morning asking myself that question.
Jeff, give me a really good toothy smile. No, just give me a smile. Come on. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so we got the picture. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring up my web browser because this tool is available through your web browser. That means there's no app to install. Okay. It doesn't collect anything other than just Google Analytics. It's perfectly safe. And you don't have to put it in, and it's platform agnostic. Doesn't matter if you're on your computer, your phone, your tablet, whatever. You go to makemeazombie.com, and we're going to browse to that picture that I just took of Jeff. There he is. And we're going to click on that and click Make Me a Zombie.
Okay.
What's happening is that, again, a general adversarial network, a neural network, is now taking your photo and turning you into a zombie.
Uh-oh. Oh my gosh! Wow. Wow.
You like that?
Note to self, don't become the undead.
Oh, Jeff. That is fantastic.
I feel like I'm the guinea pig of this show.
makemeazombie.com, and you can do that on any device. Don't forget, we are on Twitter at Category 5 TV, and I'd really appreciate it if you would consider becoming part of our Patreon fleet. Head on over to patreon.com/Category5. It's a great way to support the content that we create here at Category 5 TV, but at the same time, you're going to gain access to some behind the scenes and a lot of great content that is only available to our patrons. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a wonderful week.
Bye.